All upright, higher biomedical ULT freezers are supplied with volt-free contacts, which can be connected to a BMS or remote alarm. The remote alarm contacts are located on the right-hand side of the freezer, next to the power on switch. If the alarm that you are connecting to is normally on or open, then you will need to connect to the green COM wire and blue no wires. If the alarm is normally closed or off, then it will be the green COM wire and black NC wires. Please note that these alarm contacts are only activated by the following alarm statuses: high and low temperature alarms, power alarms. Please check the colors of the wires are correct and the alarm statuses are correct.